too long ago, we visited a small Canadian town called Sunpeaks for a catch-up with our friend and vacation rental guru, Matt Landau.
Our niche is very dynamic. It's frenetic. Is that the right word?
It's crazy. And I think, again, we were chatting about this yesterday. The frenetic pace, I think, is at the very small size, right? So it's like the one door, 5 doors, 10 doors, and they're usually trying to manage it all themselves, right? And they're deploying humans where they can, and they're fixing problems and plugging holes and all the rest of it. Where we find a lot of our value comes into it is the people who have kind of survived through that phase and are now looking to actually scale and realizing, like, I cannot go from 10 doors to 25 to 50 to 500 or however big they want to grow their portfolio without a technology layer to take out a lot of the mundane tasks from my day-to-day. Because instead of sort of working in your business, you can work on your business. And I think that that's one of the main things that technology allows the PM to do is, I don't need, a lot of this stuff can just be taken care of for me.
And how do you think the traditional hotel world is viewing this dynamic innovation, for lack of a better word, that we are actively building?
Yeah, I think that our market is for sure pioneers in this space. There's no doubt. I mean, we have...
You just gave me goosebumps.
We've got solutions that we're lucky enough to be able to play in short-term rentals and hotels. And so we do go to a lot of the bigger events all over the world. And it's very interesting because Operto always puts itself forward as, we can solve your problems as an independent sort of hotelier, but we came out of short-term rentals. And let us show you how we can power 1,000 doors at the same time all over the world. And they're like, oh, it's really, really interesting. And so, a lot of the things that we've learned, a lot of the trials and tribulations of being an IoT and, the learning curve, we've been able to take that and apply it into smaller boutique hotels, independents with huge success. So I see us as pioneers, and this is not only just us specifically, but a lot of the PMSs have learned to box scrappy and have built really great technology upon which you can now move upstream into larger deployments.
And I think we'd both agree there's other kinds of innovations in guest vetting that we are pioneering, that the broader hospitality industry is learning from. Even I like to think of the best hospitality, most high-end hotel experiences I have ever had. Vacation rental professionals, when they do it right, are at the absolute ultimate level of that experience. Our industry is frenetic, it's disruptive, a bunch of small, passionate players trying their own things, changing the way that people travel. How does the hotel industry view the short-term rental space in general? And is this convergence that everybody talks about, is that real?
Yeah, I think the hotel industry views itself as, the big cruise liner, and the short-term rental market as the speedboat that pulls up beside the cruise liner, right?
Like the pirates?
Absolutely. So much faster to innovate, much more nimble, much just able to make decisions and to be able to affect change much quicker. I think what the successful folks in the hotel industry have managed to do is look to the short-term rental market for best-in-class technology solutions and go, that's super cool. If they can power 100 doors in a multifamily building, they can also power 100 doors in my independent hotel. It's very, very similar. So we've seen a lot of first movers in the hotel space that are usually of a younger demographic who get it, who really understand the scaling effect of technology, coming to us and saying, hey, listen, we like what you guys do. It's a very cost-effective solution. These are the problems that we have in our day-to-day operation. A lot of the time it's around like asset protection. So it's like vetting the guests and also protecting like against noise and smoking and all the kind of property damage things that kind of tend to happen. and looking to us to tie all those problems together into a bow and then give them a solution stack which will address those things. And so, and that's a very enviable place to be, right? It's really hard to build all that stuff. It's also really hard to service it as well. So, we've been able to take a lot of our success over the last 3-4 years, and now we're sort of taking it in and moving it into a new frontier with great success.
And how do you think the leading vacation rental manager compares to a traditional hotelier with regards to the guests?
I think that they have a much more acute appreciation for how important the guest experience is, right? Especially when you're looking to get repeat bookings and direct bookings, right? So, and probably a much more ear to the ground understanding of the guests that they're bringing into their properties, right? They really understand the kind of folks that they're attracting. That is a very enviable place to be as well, because you can start to make changes across your portfolio that are really helpful to your guests, especially in the technology sense, because there's it's an evolving space, and I think that we haven't seen the end of it yet.